Hi, I'm Sam. Let's check in with Meghan and see what's cooking in the FreshThyme Market kitchen. Hi, Meghan.
Hi, Sam. I'm super excited to be here today. Did you know that September was Family Meals Month? But guess what? Every month can be Family Meals Month.
That sounds wonderful. So what are we cooking with our families today?
So we're going to be making a sheet pan chicken fajita recipe. It's really easy. It's something you and your family can make in under 20 minutes. So it makes it really fast if we're really busy during the week. And you can even help your parents.
That sounds great. 20 minutes, you say? That's pretty fast. What do we start with?
It is. So the first thing you want to do is cut up all your vegetables. So here we have yellow, orange, and red bell peppers cut into thin slices. Then we have about a half a cup of mushrooms cut into thin slices and a whole red onion cut into thicker chunks. So this is the best part. If you are supervised by your parents, you can help them cut all these different vegetables. And we're gonna take those vegetables and we're gonna put them in a large bowl to mix up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the bell peppers, the mushrooms, and the red onion. From here, I'm gonna take my garlic olive oil spray and I'm gonna add a lot of extra spray on here to give it some nice flavor. Now this is the best part. I know with my 4-year-old, she loves mixing. So I always give her tongs and let her mix away. If you want to make it a little bit easier and a little bit less messy, you can use a Ziploc baggie to put these ingredients in, seal it, and then let your kids shake, shake, shake.
Oh, how creative.
Next, we're gonna add our marinated chicken breasts. So this is about a pound of chicken breasts that have been cut into small strips. So I'm gonna add each of these strips to our vegetable mixture. And then I'm gonna take that garlic olive oil spray and spray it again to really get that nice flavor. Next, I'm gonna take my taco seasoning packet and I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna pour it on top of my mixture and then really mix it all up, making sure that all those vegetables and all those chicken pieces get this beautiful seasoning mixture. Doesn't that look pretty?
Yeah, it's really colorful.
So, while you've been doing all this, we want to make sure that we preheat our oven to broil. And this is where Mom and Dad come in. They're going to take a baking sheet, place it in the oven, and set that oven on broil. Wait 10 minutes. This is going to let this pan heat up, which means it's going to make the cooking process even faster. Once it's nice and hot, take it out, and you're going to take your vegetable and chicken fajita mix, put it on top. You're going to hear a beautiful sizzle, and that's when you know that it's hot enough. Put it back in the oven and cook it for 7 to 10 minutes till that chicken and those veggies are fully cooked. From there, you're going to take your tortilla shells, go ahead and microwave them for 30 seconds in the microwave, and then place your finished fajita and vegetable mixture on top, cilantro, lime, and any other toppings, and you have a perfect fajita feast.
That looks super delicious. Thanks for showing us this, Meghan. Bye.
Thanks so much. Bye.